Hey Globetrotters, and welcome back to Ashley Travels the Globe. If you're new to this channel, I am Ashley, and if you aren't already, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and you turn on that bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments because I love talking to you all. I love talking to my Globetrotters. So let's just get right into this video. So Atlanta is in less than a week away. I feel like I only have a couple days left until departure time. I am going back to Atlanta to celebrate my grandmother's birthday. So grandma, if you're watching this, happy early birthday. And I just lost my whole train of thought. Happy birthday, grandma. I am coming to Atlanta soon, and this video is another like what's in my toiletry bag ATL, but it has a spin. I decided in 2020, one of my New Year's resolutions was to be a minimalist traveler. So I am and was the person that was always lugging a very heavy suitcase behind them with a very heavy personal item and like my heavy carry-on item. I was always hoping my suitcase was under 50 pounds because I never wanted to pay that fee. I was somehow stuffing stuff into like one of my carry-on bags just so I don't have to pay the fee, and I just don't want to be that person anymore. So I told myself 2020, I am making a change and I am going to be a minimalist traveler. So here's to my New Year's resolution of being a minimalist traveler. I've decided to minimalize my toiletry bag. So this is my toiletry bag for Atlanta. These are all of the items that I'm taking to take care of myself. My trip is only 7 days long, so I feel like this is way more than enough. But let's just get right into what this is. I got this bag, this toiletry bag. It came with a bunch of stuff in it. Like it came with these bottles. And I'm gonna link all of this in the description below so you can get one if you want one. But so let's just get into it. I have lotion. I love these bottles because they have like these little windows that tells you what's in it. So this is my lotion. This is my hair cream. These are all TSA approved sizes. This is my face wash. The biggest bottle is 3 fluid ounces. The medium sized bottle is 2 fluid ounces, and the smallest one is, I believe, 1.25 fluid ounces, so well below the limits. And then I have a day cream and a night cream. I have my travel toothpaste. This is the toothpaste that I bought to go to Canada. When I run out, I'm hoping to switch to tooth tabs, which I would like to try. So if you've tried tooth tabs before, please let me know what that's like in the comments down below. I have my bar of soap. This is a ivory bar of soap, and it will double as body wash because I'll just rub it between my scrub gloves. These little babies here, and voila, I have like a body wash. Of course, I have my travel toothbrush. I have my travel deodorant. And then I have these 2 spatulas that go with the jar. So I use this to fill up these my little day and night cream jars. And then I'm also planning to use it to apply it to my skin so I don't have to use my fingers. And that's all that I'm taking. My hairbrush is still being used, so my hairbrush isn't going to be a part of this video, but that's the only thing that is missing. And then also I am doing a minimalist makeup bag, so I don't have much in my makeup bag. This is my makeup bag. In my makeup bag I have a lip gloss. I plan to have another lip gloss, but this is one of my lip glosses. An eyeliner and a mascara. This is a piece of a makeup eraser. And then a pencil sharpener for my eyeliner. And that's exactly it. That is all that I am taking with me in terms of toiletries and makeup. Minus the one lip gloss that I cannot find at the moment and my hairbrush. So if you practice minimalist travel or a minimalist lifestyle, please give me some tips and leave them below in the comments so I can start incorporating that, and I can, you know, not have to recreate the wheel of adapting to this new lifestyle. And if you have any recommendations of things for me to do while I'm in Atlanta, please leave that in the comments as well. I did make a mini itinerary for my trip to Atlanta, so if you want to check it out, I'll link that below. It'll be on my website, ashleytravelstheglobe.com. And that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for my minimalist packing of my suitcase. I'm hoping to just have one carry-on suitcase for when I go to Atlanta, and maybe a very small personal item. Hopefully I'll be able to pull this off. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Have a great night or a great day whenever you're watching this, and yeah, see you later.